let's review account management in Infor CRM. We are in the accounts drawer in Infor CRM, and when you hover over the word accounts, you can right-click for actions. So you can look up, you can create a new account contact, or you can create a group within the accounts entity. Let's take a quick look at lookups. Here you'll get your options of items to look up from. These are based on your default account lookup group, which is covered in another video on how to set that up. Your conditions, so you can do contains. Okay, so you can put A, and then you can add several other line items to build out your lookup, as you see. Okay, so that's how you do lookups. You can also search within the entity by going to the magnifying glass here in the corner. And when you hit that search, you get the same lookup, and again, it's looking just within accounts. Another way to segment your data quickly is when you're in list view. Okay, and list view is when you see the list of accounts. Over on the right-hand side, you have filters. So you can look up by owner, you can filter by state, and all your options here. Type. And it will give you a smaller lookup to review. Quick note, you can clear at the filter level, or up here at the top you can clear all. Remember to reset your filters, because when you log out and log back in, your filters will remain selected. You also have groups. Just like in every other entity, you can create ad hoc groups that are static data, and you can create dynamic groups using the plus sign here. And this is where you build with the query builder, where you add conditions, and then that is a live group. When those conditions are met, accounts are either added or taken out of the group. Now let's take a look at the detail view of an account. When you click the hyperlinked account, it opens up what is known as the detail view of the account. This shows you the full address, all the fields, and then you have the tabs. Some of these tabs may or may not show based on your permissions in Infor CRM or whether or not you're connected to your ERP system. But you should be able to see any opportunities related to that account. If you click the hyperlink, you'll jump directly to that opportunity. You can see any activities associated, so if there's meetings or phone calls, again, when you click the hyperlinks, you'll jump right to that detail. You can even complete activities from the account level instead of going over to activities to do so. There's a More tab where you can access all the other items you may have access to in your user role. Associations is another good area where you can associate an account to an account. So say someone is a vendor or a dealer or some other type of relation to this account. You can do that here. And again, how to set that up is covered in my associations video. And then I want you to also take notice to the question mark that comes up in any window you're in, right? So you see one over here, you see a big main one up here, and what this does is it jumps you to a help menu for that page. So if you click it within here, it's going to give you help about this window. If you click it here, it'll give you help about this window. You even have it at the level of, say you're creating a new association, you even have a help menu there. Also, another way I like to set up my views is to take contacts. And you can do this with any of these tabs. You can stack the tabs. So if you click and hold and drag up until you see the little green check mark, see where it says drag tab here? You let go. Now you can see your account, your contacts within, and then your more tabs. Say you also want to look at opportunities. Drag it till you see the green check and drop. So you can stack the tabs so that you can have a quick look at what you view most in your account details. So this is just a quick look at account management in Infor CRM.